Hi, it's the Jonas Sisters here. Sorry we didn't be doing our video because we didn't move house. And that's why the kitchen looks different, but the kitchen still is not finished. But today we are still going to try to make some yummy bebinca. Now let's look at the ingredients. We have 12 egg yolks, 600 ml of coconut milk. We have some ghee, and we have 350 grams of sugar, 150 grams of plain flour, and we have salt and nutmeg. And we also need some caramelized sugar, so come on, I'll show you how to make it. To give the bebinca's color, you need to make caramelized sugar. To make caramelized sugar, you need to take some sugar, put it in a pan and heat it until it melts and turns golden brown. It's been boiling for a while, so let's look at the color. It looks exactly like golden brown. Chanel, do you want to start? Now that it's the color that we want, Chanel, press 0 please, and switch it off. Now we're going to crack the eggs. Come on Chanel, let's get cracking. Now that we've got all 12 yolks, we need to cream it with the sugar. Chanel, can you please put lots of sugar. Now we have to mix the sugar and the egg yolk, so let's switch this on. This might get messy. Once it's nice and creamy, pour the coconut milk in and whisk again. Chanel, can you please pour the coconut milk in? Good girl. Yep. Now time for some whisking. Whoa! It's making a nice pale color. And we're going to make a rectangle one. While I'm whisking, Chanel's going to add little bits of flour at a time. Now let's take the nutmeg and sugar. Whisking is fun. Now that our batter is all ready, let's give it a taste. It's so delicious. As you can see, we've already divided the batter into 2 different bowls. In one bowl, you need to pour the caramelized sugar, which I'm going to do right now, into the bowl. mixing. As you can see, we have a square baking pan. So now Chanel, can you please get 2 spoonfuls of ghee and put it in there so I can spread it evenly. 1 and 1 more. Thank you. Now to spread. Now let's start getting the layers ready. Now Chanel, you have to shake it and spread. Now we have to put this in the oven. Make sure that you're only using top heat, and also you have to put the heat on 150 degrees.
Each layer will take 10 minutes to 15.
Now it's time to put the bebinca in the oven. As you can see, it's 150 degrees. Now it is time to bake. Now I'm going to set the timer for 10 minutes or 10 minutes to 15 minutes. And keep an eye on your bebinca just in case it gets burnt. Now that our first layer of our bebinca is ready, ask an adult to take it out for you. Now I'm going to get some ghee and spread it around. And after I've done that, Chanel here is going to get 3 cups of the next layer. Make sure that you're not using the lighter layer again. To use the darker one. Now gently pour the darker layer. Now put it back in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Now repeat this process till all your batter is finished. Now that all the bebincas and layers are ready, let's take it out and see. Oh, this looks so good. Look at that gold color. It looks so good. You know, bebinca is not such an easy thing to make. It takes a lot of hours to make.
And a lot of patience.
Now, once your bebinca has cooled, you can flip it over to see the color and taste it. Finally, our bebinca has cooled, so we turned it over. Let me show you how it looks. Doesn't it look amazing and smell awesome?
Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from Jane and their sisters. Bye!
Like and subscribe to this video, and if you want to know further details of how to make this bebinca, you can go on my mum's blog. Bye! Taste it, Shanna. I want to taste it. Okay. No, Chanel. I can do it myself.
How was it?